How to deposit Ton or Toncoin on Tonkeeper Wallet. In order to do it, you first need to launch that particular exchange which you want to use in order to deposit Ton. Let's say I have some of the Tons in my Bitget wallet, so I'm gonna tap on Bitget. Over here, tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and tap on Spot. Now tap on the withdraw option. Once done, you will be able to see all of the cryptocurrencies that you can buy and sell on Bitget. Now you need to use the search bar in the top and search for Ton. Now once you are able to find Ton, tap on the on-chain withdrawal option and you will be landed on this page where it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get this address, you need to simply launch your Tonkeeper wallet, and here you can either tap on the your address option that would be just underneath your balance, or you can even tap on the receive option, and this is basically your deposit address. So you need to copy it from here, then go back to Bitget, paste the address in this section. In the address tag, you don't need to put anything, you can skip it. After that, in the withdrawal amount, you need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and then it will show you the network fees or the fees that you need to pay for this transaction. Now tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you need to review your information, and if everything looks correct, you need to simply tap on the confirm option in order to initiate your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, you will be able to receive your Ton in your Tonkeeper wallet, or you will be able to make the deposit. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.